I'm a college student, and when I started my first semester, my time management was a complete disaster. I struggled with serious procrastination, endlessly doom scrolling, and getting lost in social media. I couldn't focus on one task and was constantly distracted. As a result, assignments piled up, deadlines loomed, and I hadn't even started. That period was so stressful and overwhelming. After that semester, I knew I had to make a change. I tried many tools to improve my efficiency in time management, such as to-do apps, calendars, Pomodoro timers. They were helpful, but I was always juggling multiple apps to stay organized. I wanted one tool that combined task management, time tracking, and focus features all in one place. Finally, I found Super Productivity. It is a free, open source tool that had everything I needed. In this video, I will share my experience of how I overcame my procrastination and guide you guys to use this amazing tool. So let's dive in. Super Productivity is super easy to install. It's available on Windows, Android, macOS, or you can use the web app directly. After installation, I will first explain the basic usage of this tool and then share my recommended ways to use it. My recommended usage include how to customize the interface and how to use this application more efficiently based on my experience. So, the basic usage is similar to other productivity tools. Press Shift A to add a task, then select the task, and press A to add a subtask. Add a tag by right-clicking the task and selecting your tag. You can also create your own tags manually. Interestingly, the software provides a priority board. You can categorize tasks based on their urgency and priority. Once you've sorted them, it will automatically add the corresponding tags for you. To manage tasks better, you can create projects and then categorize your tasks accordingly. You can also set a due date for your tasks. After that, you can view them in the Schedule tab, Planner tab, or simply add them to the Today tab. Then, you can click the Task Start button to record time. There are 3 modes to choose from, and when the timer ends, the software will provide an audible alert. Once you know these basics, you can go to Settings to change the theme. Super Productivity comes with several elegant themes. The glass and rainbow ones are particularly nice. I definitely recommend giving them a try. You can also right-click the background to change the background picture. You can type keywords like minimalism, gray, space, and others. Here's a productivity tip. When using Super Productivity, I strongly suggest writing highly detailed task descriptions. Has this happened to you too? You see a task written as Lisa project in your to-do list, but every time you look at it, you need to pause and figure out what exactly needs to be done. These vague descriptions act like traffic jams in your brain, lowering efficiency and increasing stress. The solution is actually very simple. Make your tasks as specific as possible. Instead of Lisa project, we could write email Lisa to confirm dates. This way you immediately know the exact next action required, eliminating decision-making moments that waste time and energy. Besides that, tagging also has its own tricks. I removed all the default tags the software provided and replaced them with more efficient ones. You can take a look at my tag system. It's very intuitive and clear. Now it's time to talk about the time tracking features. Equally important is estimating required completion time and setting clear deadlines. Without time constraints, tasks tend to expand infinitely and get postponed. When you apply a time box like 2 hours for project proposal writing, your brain becomes more focused, helps faster decision making, and prevents procrastination. Sometimes, procrastination comes from tasks being too complex or difficult. The pressure can drain your motivation. Just setting deadlines or estimating time often isn't enough. From my experience, breaking down big goals into subtasks helps a lot. By splitting complex work into smaller, more specific steps, you reduce mental load and make progress clearer. This makes it easier to start and keep moving forward steadily. Even better, Super Productivity can also organize your notes, websites, and files, so you always know where all the resources related to a specific task are. You can add website links, file paths, and even external links from other note-taking software directly into the application, allowing for one-click access. For example, I copied an external link from my Joplin note-taking software and pasted it into Super Productivity. Then I can directly click the link and it automatically opens Joplin and takes me to the corresponding note. You can also add project notes using Shift N, which serves the same purpose. Once you've completed all your tasks, go to the Today tab. At the bottom, you'll find the Finish Day button. Click it to review how you spent your time today. You can also right-click on a project and select Quick History, Work Log, and Metrics to get more detailed information, which can help you adjust your task management. Now you already master this powerful tool. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll keep uploading more videos introducing amazing free open source tools for all of you. So, see you on next video. Goodbye.